Hi everyone, good morning all of you, and right now we are going for spreading pesticide, and you can see there are some laborers and my father, and we all are going, and our field is little far from here. We are on the way, and you can see the beauty of my village field. It's so beautiful. You can see everywhere only paddy field are there, and this is the beauty of village life. Greenery everywhere. You can see there is little water. When I was studying in middle school, so we had to go from this area, and because that was in another village and it was little far. Guys, can you see these kasi flowers? I like it very much. And these are peanuts. And this area are so beautiful. And I like this area. You can see the white flowers. These all are kasi. Huh? My father is calling. I was thinking we will go this area field, but my father is saying me that area, so I have to change the way. So guys, on the way I saw black lentil plant. Can you see these? But there are a lot of weeds. And this area, these are also black lentil plant. And let me show you how it looks. Can you see this? Let me plug it. This one. This is black lentil. And after ripe it become like this. But I have plugged this much, and now I'm gonna eat this. So friend, right now we have reached our field and started spraying pesticide in our field, and you can see these are our field. And here my father's work was to mixing the pesticide in water, and one person is spraying, and with the help of the big pipe, and my work was there to pull the pipe and help the person who is spraying the pesticide, because for him alone pulling the pipe for spraying, it's hard and he will get tired soon. So my work was that, and these are our big field, so that's why it's little far for the person who is spraying pesticide, because he had to pull the pipe. And you can see, and after this we had to go another place, because we are too late to spray pesticide, and this is the second time we are spraying this. And here you can see I am helping them. I am pulling this pipe, and the person who is spraying pesticide is spraying, and I am pulling this pipe to that area where he is spraying pesticide. So this was my work today, and I hope you like today's vlog. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.